Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to change currency in Google Sheets for 2025. Whether you're managing international budgets, tracking expenses in different countries, or just sprucing up your spreadsheets, knowing how to switch currencies can save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. This process is straightforward and takes less than a minute once you get the hang of it. First things first, open your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you have access to all the features. Now, select the cells you want to format. You can click and drag to highlight a range, or just click a single cell if that's all you need. Next, head to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, hover over Number, and then select Currency. This will open a submenu where you can choose your desired currency format. Google Sheets offers a wide range of options, like USD, EUR, JPY, and more, so scroll through until you find the one that fits. If the currency you need isn't in the list, maybe something less common, don't worry. Go to More Formats, under the Number options, and then select Custom Currency Code. Here, you can manually enter the symbol or code for your specific currency. For example, if you're working with British pounds, type in pound and adjust as needed. Once you've made your selection, watch as your cells update automatically. It's that simple. But here's a pro tip. If you're using formulas in your sheet, double-check them after changing currencies to ensure everything adds up correctly, especially with exchange rates involved. And just like that, you're all set. Changing currency in Google Sheets is a breeze and keeps your data looking professional. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.